get that. Thank you very much. Let me get that. God, this is a lot, guys. This is a lot. I bet you he's raging right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel like this is the longest I ever gotten on this game. No, I got longer than this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel like this is the longest I ever gotten on this game. No, I got longer than this one, I could think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you do, leave a like and subscribe. Join Call of X Gamer Sports, and I don't really have a team yet. But anyway, sup guys? We're about to play Slither.io. Yeah. Let's just change it to this because I love this one. It looks so good. Okay, we're gonna be playing. We gotta do our nickname. So let me put in the nickname if I can. Well, I just gotta put my name as nickname. That's it. Okay, there we go. Call of X Gamer. Let's play online. Okay, guys. So let's go over here. Let's collect. What's happening to my body? Whoa! Oh, what's happening to my body right now? Boy, I almost died because of this. Can my body stop doing that? Please, just. Guys, this stuff is lagging bad. Did I just go through a freaking? I just went through them. That's how bad it is. Okay. Guys, this stuff is... Okay, so that's just how you move it. Please act normal. Okay, no, it's not acting normal. I think my snake one is this a worm or a snake? I think it's a snake. Yeah, it's a snake. I think my snake is breakdancing when it's doing this. Look at that. That's a good breakdance though. I can't lie. I wish I could do. Ooh. I see you, Snakey. How much do I hate this game? Oh God! Really? What was my length? 183. Okay, let's play online again because this is gonna get on my nerves. I'm raging already. I don't like when I rage, man. You guys won't like it. I don't want no ravioli. Okay, man. Oh, is that actually Jacksepticeye? What happened? Quit showing these ads, please. That's okay. Let's change this. Is that Quibello Pop? However you say his name. PewDiePie. Jelly. I'm dead serious. Okay, that looks nice actually. I never saw these at first. Never. What is that? Okay. No, I'll check those later. Let me just change this to this one because I love this. Let's play along with it. I hope my body doesn't do that again. Is it stop? Oh no, it didn't stop. Okay, so I guess I gotta like go very slow with it. No, it still doesn't. Okay, that makes sense. I can't even get that easy one to get. Okay, That's a big one, man. We have to get it. We have to. Oh, whoa, we can't leave that behind. Okay. So let's get that. Oh, our length though. What's my length like that? Guys, can I at least get it? Okay. I can't get it. I'm done. Okay, guys, I'm growing a long body. I hate you, PewDiePie. Oh, God. It said these nuts. Okay. Okay. I couldn't get off by pressing X. Guys, he just named himself These Nuts. Man, I hate this. I hate PewDiePie now. I hate him. I hate him now, man. I feel like breaking his ankles. Man, I feel like breaking his ooh, okay. Act like you guys didn't hear that. Or I will come to your house. Okay, I'm dead serious. I'm playing. So we're gonna play online again. Is it because of my Wi-Fi? Oh, what? Look at that. Come on, I hope you die. Fuzzy snake head boy. No, let me get all of this. This is a lot. Hey, man, I swear, if I run into that snake, I'm done. If I die without reaching 200, I'm done. So, yeah, guys. If I don't reach it, I'm gonna be very mad. I'm done. I hate this game. I had to leave for a second because of this game. Okay, guys. Call it as gamer. So we're gonna give this one more shot, or something's going to be shot. What? How? How? Now, guys, we have to play online again, guys. This is hard. Alright, come on. Let me just at least get to 100, guys. So, guys, let's just get to. Oh, that's a big snake. Oh no, I need to trap him. I need to steal everything he has. Come here, man. Come here, man. Man, it's not. This is not, bruh. This is not, bruh. I don't want none of your problems anyway. Oh, I really wanted to kill him. Please stop, freaking snake. Let me get that. Thank you very much. Let me get that. God, this is a lot, guys. This is a lot. I bet you he's raging right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel like this is the longest I ever gotten on this game. No, I got longer than this one, I could think. So, yeah, guys, I'm longer. Okay, guys, this is just a waste of time. I'm losing all my. Oh. Guys, I can get them. Okay, guys, I'm just wasting it. I need to chill off. I need to chill. Okay. So yeah, guys. Let me just collect these. Yes. I'm done, guys. Guys, if you know, I'm done playing this game for the rest of my life. I just died. I'm sorry you guys had to hear that. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, it's like 5 different steps. First, follow me on Instagram. I was kidding, I don't have none. Alright, it's actually 3 steps. 1, comment. 2nd, like. It's actually 4 steps. I like this 2, I said comment and like. 3rd, subscribe. And 4th, put that post notification button. Press that, and then you're all good, guys. Just comment what game else you want me to play, or what other game you want me to play from the Play Store, or a game that costs I can get it for free. I promise, guys. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
That's what they call him. Yep, but he doesn't have a